So me and Leander, we're here at Dutch Wonderland. Kara and Braylon are right behind us. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, we're starting off the day going up the sky lift. So the kids were pretty excited to do this. Get a nice little view of the park. We're gonna go right over the top of Merlin's Mayhem, and it's gonna be fun. Did you like it, buddy?
Did you like it? You want to do it again?
No, that was fun.
It's so fun. Oh my God.
I guess he didn't like it. Us on, it's like Duke's Lagoon or something like that, but yeah, this is his kind of ride because he has a steering wheel and can pretend that he's driving. See, Mama? Say hi. After spending like a full day at Six Flags Great Adventure yesterday, I think everybody's just kind of tired. We did quite a lot here though. We rode the roller coasters, went into a little like water park. This is pretty much like a splash pad area. And then we went over to, I think it's called like Exploration Island. And they have like a boat ride, a car ride, and I don't know, we're just kind of hanging out and might get ice cream or something, and then we'll be done for the day. That's gonna wrap up our day here at Dutch Wonderland. Still a fun little family park. There's lots to do for the kids. The kids had a good time. Just again, it's just really hot. But yeah, that's gonna do it for Dutch Wonderland.